Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of past paper for mathematics and computer science for OA level. Today we shall discuss question number 5 of paper 3 pure mathematics session by June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. For online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. Today we shall discuss question number 5. The complex number 2 plus y iota is denoted by a, where y is a real number and y less than 0. It is given that f of a equal to a cube minus a square minus 2a. Part A, find a simplified expression for f of a in terms of y. So first of all, we shall find out the solution for part A. The given function is f of a equal to a cube minus a square minus 2a. As given a is equal to 2 plus y iota, we shall put the value of a. After simplification, we know that by the expansion of the cube square, we know that I square is equal to minus 1 and I cube equal to I minus iota. So we shall put this value in the above line. After simplification, we get minus 5y square plus 6y minus y cube into iota. For the part B, given that real of f of a equal to minus 20, find the argument a. So the real value of f of a is equal to minus 20. We shall find out the argument of a. So in the solution section, for this, the as given real of f is equal to minus 20 as given in part A, and minus 5y square is equal to minus 20, y equal to plus minus 2. As given in the question statement, y is less than 0, so we shall take y equal to minus 2 according to the given question of condition. As a equal to 2 plus y iota, the value of y is minus 2 as we have calculated in the above step. We know that in order to calculate the argument, we have formula tan inverse y over x. In this case, value of y is minus 2 and value of x is equal to 2. After simplification, we get tan inverse minus 1, which is equal to minus pi by 4. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.